Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll explore how conflict can provide an opportunity to realign our values and priorities. Find a quiet place where you won't be distracted. Sit up tall, letting your spine lengthen all the way through the top of your head. Gently roll your shoulders back to open your chest. Relax your arms and rest your hands comfortably in your lap. And if you haven't yet, slowly close your eyes. Now, relax your face. Soften your jaw and your lips. Release tension from your forehead and temples. Relax the muscles around your eyes and eyelids. And take a moment to notice any holding or gripping elsewhere in your body. Soften your neck. Relax the muscles in your back and your chest. Release any gripping in your belly and hips. And scan through your body from your head down to your feet. Meet any tension with softness and ease, inviting your whole body to relax. Now, turn to your breath. Let your inhales and exhales be effortless. And without forcing it, let your belly gently expand as you breathe in. Let it relax as you breathe out. And keep breathing this way, directing your attention to your breath and letting your belly soften. Inevitably, your mind will wander into thoughts or distractions. When it does, gently guide your attention back to your soft belly breathing. No judgments, no labels. With compassionate acceptance, draw your awareness back to your belly softening and your breath moving in and out. Now let your awareness soften. Disagreements are a normal part of any relationship. We can't always see eye to eye with our colleagues or loved ones. But having different opinions doesn't mean we have to burn bridges. Defensively hammering our point for the sake of winning an argument rarely resolves the conflict. Instead, it can drive a divide and make the situation worse. The thing is, when clashes arise, they highlight a need to reevaluate the situation. They point to something that is not working. In that sense, conflicts present us with a chance to realign our priorities and values with our friends, family, or coworkers. Though uncomfortable, disagreements allow us to understand each other better while appreciating our differences. And when we approach conflict as an opportunity for a better outcome, we create a more conducive space for mindful and respectful conversation. This means less tension and more acceptance for everyone involved. It might even result in something better than we could have imagined. So instead of viewing conflicts as frustrating opposition, choose to see it as an occasion to create something better together. By approaching the issue from this positive viewpoint, you can work to develop collective solutions that everyone can get behind. Now draw your awareness back into the space around you. Feel the sensations in your body. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Have a great day, and we'll see you again soon.